Please watch this video carefully till the end to understand how to use CapCut without any issues. First, if CapCut unavailable in your country or you have network issues, then I highly suggest you to install unlimited VPN from Play Store and select locations like United States or location where CapCut available. But for me, here I don't need any VPN because CapCut working for me without any such restrictions. So I'm just skipping this part. Now let's try to open CapCut. Let's try to edit templates. Yeah, it's working perfectly. I think crash issues and such feature works from this one. I think. Let's try to edit a cat video. Let's try to export it, and you can save it without any watermarks too. Okay, now let's try to edit a video. I'm choosing this video. Let me try to apply some filters. Yes, filters are loading perfectly. Now let me try to uh, add some stickers. Yeah, these are also working. For me, everything works except the AI stuff that needs to be done from server side now. Now listen carefully. If you encounter any issues in CapCut, then I suggest you to force stop it by long pressing the CapCut icon and selecting the force stop. In this case, the CapCut resets itself and you can edit templates and videos with filters, etc. And another case, I suggest you to install over the same version, like just install the same update over it and use it so that filters effects work sometimes. And third one, use VPN if CapCut unavailable in your country, and I suggest you to use United States or nearby locations where CapCut available. And finally, you have to figure it yourself to make it work by doing this stuff. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.